This is the KCPE and CBC Learners Revision Kit. We present a quick digital lesson. In this episode, we will cover weather instruments. We will explain the Windsock. Welcome to the lesson. This question had been set in the 2019 Kenya Certificate of Primary Education examination. The diagram below represents a certain weather instrument. The instrument can be used to show the direction of wind only, b. the speed and direction of wind, c. the speed of wind only, d. the direction and strength of wind. Take 30 seconds to answer the question. And here is the explainer. The diagram represents a windsock. A windsock is used to show the direction and strength of wind. A windsock resembles a giant sock. Windsocks are commonly seen in airports, chemical industries, and weather stations. Pilots, industrial workers, and weather scientists use a windsock to tell the direction and strength of wind. This picture shows a windsock on a calm day. It is hanging down. This picture shows a windsock on a windy day. It is full and inflated.